Just sitting at our table. We got some jets. I don't know if you can see it. We got some jets flying by, doing a little show. That's good entertainment. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? There they are. There they are. 7 of them. 5 of them. Just sitting dockside, having a drink, having some lunch, and you got some jets flying by. I don't know if they're practicing, they've been flying around, drawing hearts and stuff in the sky. Looks like they're coming towards us. No, they're going away. Look at that. So close to the ground. Welcome to Florida, people. Enjoy.